madamdaming Instagram reel ang ibinahagi ni Gabby Concepcion sa kanyang followers ngayong Lunes, November 25, 2024. Tungkol ito sa Dear Heart concert nila ng ex-wife na si Sharon Cuneta. Maririnig ang pag-uusap ni Gabby at Sharon sa stage sa isa sa mga concert venue nila.
I thought when I lost you, I lost all of them.
Don't worry, I didn't know.
Ang alam ko si Mama ni si Bill.
I'm choosing ginawa. I think we've become closer to each other.
Show me you. I will miss singing with you.
Pagkatapos nito ay kinanta ng dating mag-asawa ang Barry Manilow song na Even Now. Nilakipan ito ni Gabby ng makabagbag damdaming caption. Dahil daw sa tour nilang ito, naging maayos muli ang pagkakaibigan nila ni Sharon. Buong post ng aktor, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga fans namin, sa mga tao na hindi bumibitaw at naging possible yung concert tour na ito. That we got closer again, understood each other better, made us both a better person. Then she broke down in tears. That I comforted her with care, konting humor na I did not have my hanky. I felt something building up from within but she manifested it first. I realized at that very moment, these were tears of joy. Nagdiwang naman ng fans ng dating mag-asawa na kung tawagin ay Shagab. Sabi ng isang fan, I never left since 1981. Now I have the entire hashtag Shagab Nation to support your brand. No retreat, no surrender, fighting, SNG. Komento ng isa, Papi, yung caption mo, it conveys a lot of emotions that should have been done a long time ago. I realized that those tears of joy were a statement to the deep bond you and Mama had rebuilt, a shared understanding that made between the two of you grow, not just as individuals but also as good friends. It was a reminder that even in the toughest times, true connection brings light, healing, and purpose. I hope you both continue to nurture and maintain the kind of relationship you have now, one built on understanding, growth, and genuine connection. It's a rare and beautiful thing, so treasure it always. Sharon and Gabby will always have a special place in our hearts. Love you, Papi and Mama. Dagdag ng isa pa, we truly understand, Papi. We are still here after 43 long years. Walang bumitaw at walang bibitaw. I think fate brought you together again. I hope this time it's forever. I love you both. Ang iba naman sa kanila ay naiyak sa mensahe ni Gabby. Noong mga nakaraang buwan, inamin ni Sharon na meron silang hindi pagkakaintindihan ni Gabby matapos ang kanilang Dear Heart concert.